Hi guys, I hope you're all having a lovely day. So this is a very quick and simple DIY. It's this multi-pocket clutch, and it can be made from just one piece of fabric. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So to start off, I have my print fabric and my solid color fabric for the lining, and both pieces were 13 by 16 inches. Then I took my printed fabric, then I also took my interfacing. This is the heavy interfacing, and then I ironed the interfacing onto my print fabric. After that, I now folded my fabric in half, and then I marked 3.5 inches from the top, and then I just drew that line to guide me. And then I went on to the top, and then I marked 4 inches. Then I also drew that little line. Then I now took my curved ruler, and then I drew that curve. So I'm going to cut that portion that I'm indicating. Then I used my printed fabric to now cut the lining. Then I put my printed fabric and my polycotton fabric with the right sides facing each other. Then I pinned right round. Then I went on to sew all round. Then I left a gap of about 3 inches, which I was going to use to turn it inside out. So after turning it inside out, I pressed it with an iron, and then I went to that open edge, and then I ironed those edges inside to prepare them for sewing later. Now I folded my little fabric in half like that, and then I joined those two edges. After sewing, I turned it inside out. And then I folded it in half like that. Then I went on to sew on the sides. After sewing, that is how it looks like. And then the next step will be to add the magnetic snap fasteners. And to hide those metals at the back on the top, I added this little brooch. You can also add a decorative pattern. So inside, as you can see, we have 3 pockets, 1, 2 and 3. And that is all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.